Hi everyone, my name is Shambhavi and welcome to this video. Into this respective video, we will further be going through our data analysis, which we were seeing through and going through into the previous videos. Okay, so what I do, I'll just this only is completely very quickly give you a gist what we have done up till now, right? And then we'll proceed in further only. So uh, we had just imported libraries, imported out our data, checked out about all the informations about my data set, how my data set looks like, what other things we have into our data sets, statistical information, checking for the null values and each and everything, right? Then we simply plotted out some plots to get a better visualization, to get a better understanding of what is my data looking like, right? What are the relationship between my two columns. So for getting that particular idea, I just started plotting some of my plots, right? So in the starting, we have just plotted some subplots for getting up that information, right? And after we are done with all of those respective things, now taking up single columns, we are just trying to feature every single column and just trying to make those columns look like ready for making out our visualizations. And for every single column, we are just trying to make some or the other visualization that can really help us to get up some insights about my data, like what is my data all about and how is my data looking like. Okay, that is what up to now we have done of our complete data set, right? Now further, I was dealing up with my gender class up till now, right? So for my gender class only further, I would just try to do a little bit more things. I would just try to relate it or combine it with my P class respective column so that we get in some more good info with that respective P class and my gender column, right? So now I'm just going to use up the P class with my gender column. So let's get started up here very quickly, and if you want the complete detail of the whole analysis, like what we have or how we have done it till now, so you can just go over the previous videos and you will just find out that on all of the videos. Okay. Right. So now what I'm gonna start is that I'm just gonna give me a minute. Great. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm simply gonna get in some unique values of my P class. So unique values of my P class. Okay, that is what I'm gonna get up over here, right? So now starting over here, I will just take a single variable, and first of all, I just try to sort it and find the unique values. Okay. So passenger underscore class. First of all, sorting. So sorted function for my sorting. Putting my variable name into which I have read my data, df underscore t. Instead that, putting my column name, so that is P class. Okay, 1 second. Right, putting my column name, that is my P class, and now I'm trying to get in the unique values. It's pretty as simple as that. For getting up the unique values, you can simply use up the unique function and you will very easily get out all the unique values which you have up into that particular column, right? Now, I am going to check out the total count of my unique values for every single gender. So we have two genders, male and the female. So for every single gender, that is my male and the females, I am going to get in the count of all the unique P values. Sorry, P class values. Okay. Let's apply a for loop for here quickly. For, let's say P underscore class, I made a variable. In this passenger underscore variable which we have made, passenger underscore class. I'm just going to start up my for loop over here. So I am going to print up here as m. Okay, give me a minute. Print m, that's my mail. And I would just look like in the format like this. Okay, not like this. I would just want it to be in this format. Okay, so print, I'll just put a bracket over here. Give me a minute. Like this, okay? Print in this and comma. Here starts my variables like p class, comma. I would love to find out the length of my df my variable 40, that's my variable, and into the bracket I am going to put up again a df underscore t, and here goes my okay one, it came down. Yeah, just a minute. I would just okay, df underscore t again here inside the brackets. I would just put that d underscore t. Okay, and again inside the brackets I would just put up my column name, right? And I would just put that equal to male, like yeah, just a minute. Yeah, is equal. After 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 coming out from there, I would just put up a ampersand, that's my and going down I would again start with this df underscore t. Again in the bracket I would just now write my p class, p class column name. Okay, and now that I am gonna set as equal to p underscore class, right? So now that is what I was like really wanting to do, because df underscore, okay, I'll just put this in a different bracket. Great. So my gender class is being done, and this df underscore t, this isn't closed. So this, one second, this blue one bracket is okay. So I would just put this over here. One second. There is some mismatch with the brackets. Not like this. I just try to put it up. Okay, where is this bracket closed? This starts on here, and is this closing over here? No, this hasn't to be closed over here. This df has to be closed like this, like this. I hope now this makes it pretty look fine. This starts and closes over here, this brackets, and again a bracket over here. Yeah, now I hope this is looking pretty fine, and this last bracket for closing of this. Fine. Great. So now brackets are sorted, and this time it's kind of time for my printing up of my females. Print f dash comma. Again, I am going to use up that same method which we use above, p underscore class comma length of my df underscore t in the bracket, again df underscore t. Here goes my gender. One second, my where's my bracket? Right. So that now is equal to my female, right? And this large bracket won't close here. I'll just simply put a and over here and get down. So here again we would start using out that df under 1 second df underscore t. Okay, in the bracket it's gonna be my p class, and that is equal to my p underscore class. Okay, so this is being closed and this is now also being closed, and this bracket, okay, the speakers will get closed here only. 1 second. Pretty cool, right? So now all of these are sorted. Now it's a time for running at this respective cell. Great. So what I just got up a total count for all the males and the females, which show like the count for all the males and the females, which show we are having up over here for all of the respective maybe the things. But I'm not getting it for the correct. I would just do one thing. I would just put up a bracket over here. That bracket will go and close over here. Now I would just run it once again, and now see my for loop was not working properly because I just missed out these brackets for my df p class is equal to p class, right? And that was the result. It was showing me female and the female 0 for my second and the third p class. But as soon as I put down these brackets over here, now it's pretty showing me the correct thing, the correct, absolutely the correct portion of my like detailed information about this respective thing, right? So generally class or the speak class in the passenger class, we just applied a for loop. We just printed out the male and the female, the p class, the length, each and every single thing, and just after that we started on with the like finding the unique values for my p class. So this was all about my finding of the unique values for my p class. Now next to it, what we will be doing, we will be trying to plot the survival rate by the gender and the pay class. I want to check according to the gender and according to the my P class, what is the survival rate over there, right? Maybe like from the first P class, how many males survived, and from the first P class, how many females survived, right? Now that is what all I am trying to get, because that plot makes up a little bit more informative, because while making up these visualizations or doing up these analysis, we have to be very sure with the making of our plots, right? With the discovering of our plots and each and every single thing like that, right? So this is how you just try to give in some unique values to your P class and maybe in the passenger class too, and just applying the for loop, we just get up a count of all of those respective things, right? So I'm pretty clear up to this particular place to everyone over here. So next, into the next video, we will be trying to plot the survival rate by the gender and the P class, right? That is what next we will be trying in. So if you have enjoyed this video, do like this video, do share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe about my channel. Do share. I'll see you in the next video.